Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Azure with Slack, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Azure with Slack, you first need to log into your Microsoft Azure account. On the Azure homepage, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the left-hand menu. Click on the New Registration button at the top. In the name field, enter a suitable name for your application. Under Supported Account Types, choose the option that best fits your needs. Click on Register to create the application. Once registered, navigate to Certificates and Secrets in the left menu. Under the Client Secrets section, click on New Client Secret. Add a description and set an expiration period for your secret. Hit Add to generate the secret, and make sure to copy the value immediately. Next, go to the Overview section, where you can find the application, client, ID. Open a new tab and log into your Slack workspace. Go to the Slack API site by entering api.slack.com. Click on your apps in the top right corner. Select Create New App and choose the From Scratch option. Enter a name for your Slack app and select your workspace. Once created, navigate to the OAuth and Permissions section. Under Scopes, add the necessary permissions your app will require. Next, scroll to the Redirect URLs section and add your Azure redirect URL. Copy the client ID and client secret from the Slack app settings. Return to Azure and add the Slack redirect URL in your app registration. Now, head back to the Slack API page and click on Install App. This will allow you to authorize the app in your Slack workspace. After installation, note the OAuth access token provided. Return to Azure and create a new function to handle Slack events. In your preferred programming language, set up your function to receive incoming messages. Use the Slack API to send messages or notifications based on your Azure resources. Test the integration to ensure messages are sent correctly from Azure to Slack. Monitor the interaction between Azure and Slack to optimize performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.